1. Once in a blue moon, something that happens very rarely. Example, he only visits his parents once in a blue moon. 2. A blessing in disguise, something that seems bad at first, but turns out to be good. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one soon after. 3. Caught between a rock and a hard place, to be faced with two difficult choices. Example, she was caught between a rock and a hard place, having to choose between her career and her family. 4. Costs an arm and a leg, something that is very expensive. Example, that new smartphone costs an arm and a leg. 5. Through thick and thin, to support someone in both good and bad times. Example, they've stayed friends through thick and thin. 6. Kill two birds with one stone, to accomplish two tasks with a single action. Example, by cycling to work, I kill two birds with one stone. I save money and get exercise. 7. Piece of cake, something that is very easy to do. Example, the test was a piece of cake. I finished it in no time. 8. Hit the road, to leave or start a journey. Example, it's time to hit the road if we want to reach the beach by noon. 9. Throw in the towel, to give up or quit. Example, after failing multiple times, he finally threw in the towel and moved on to a new project. 10. Barking up the wrong tree, to pursue the wrong course of action or ask the wrong person. Example, if you think I'm responsible for the mistake, you're barking up the wrong tree.